Good morning, friends. In previous lecture, I have solved problems on belt drives. Today we will see another two problems on belt drives. I will take the statement. In a belt drive, the ratio of tension is 2. The ratio of tension means T1 by T2 is equal to 2, and the slack side tension is 500 Newton. Slack side means T2, tight side means T1. In this case, slack side is given, T2 value is 500 Newton. If the speed and diameter of the driven pulley are 200 rpm and 120 centimeter. In this case, he has given the diameter of the driven pulley. Driven pulley diameter is given d2 is 120 centimeter. Convert that into 1.2 meter, and he has given the speed of the driven pulley. It is 200 rpm. Driven is whatever the value they will give, either the speed or the diameter, you have to take it as n2 d2. Driver is, if they mention speed, you have to take it as n1. If they mention driver diameter, you have to take it as d1 respectively. Find the power transmitted. He has asked you to find out the power. We know the power transmission formula. It is T1 minus T2 into the velocity divided by 1000. Its unit is kilowatt. From the ratio of the tension T1 by T2 is given as 2. Take this T2 to the right hand side. It will be T1 is equal to 2 into T2. T2 is given in the statement. Substitute T2 value, you will get T1. Now we don't know the velocity of the belt drive. We know the formula. Velocity of the belt drive is pi d1 n1 divided by 60, or it can be written as pi d1 into n1. At that time the unit will be meter per minute. In this I have converted that into second, minute per second. That's why I have divided it with 60. In this case, n2 d2 is given. You can use v is equal to pi d2 n2 by 60. Substitute the diameter d2, it is 1.2 meter. Similarly, substitute n2 value. From that you will get the velocity of the belt. It is 12.56 meters per second. Now substitute the value of t1, v, and t2 is given. Substitute all the values in the above equation. You will get the value of p. P is equal to t1 is 1000 minus t2 is 500. Velocity of the belt calculated is 12.56 divided by 1000. Therefore p is equal to 6.28 kilowatt. I will take the next problem. This is the third problem. In a cross belt drive, the difference in tension between tight and slack side is 1200 Newton. He has given the difference in tension between tight and slack side. Tight side is T1, slack side is T2. He has given the difference. T1 minus T2 is equal to 1200 Newton. If the angle of contact is 160 degree, he has given the angle of contact between the belt and the pulley, and that angle is theta. Theta is equal to 160 degree. And coefficient of friction is nothing but mu value. Mu is equal to 0.28. Find the tension between slack and tight side. Tension between slack side means T2 and tight side is T1. And also find the initial tension in the belt drive. You need to find out the initial tension. It is denoted by T0. First we will calculate T1 and T2. From the ratio of belt tension, we know the formula. I derived this relationship in the previous lecture. You can go through that. From the ratio of belt tension, T1 by T2 is equal to e raised to mu theta. In this case, the angle theta should be in radians, but from the given data, theta angle is in degree. It has to be converted into radians. For that reason, you need to multiply pi by 180, then it will be converted into radians. theta is given, mu is given, substitute both the values. Mu is 0.28, theta is 2.792 radians. E raised to 0.28 into 2.792, it will give you 2.185. Take this T2 to the right hand side, it will be 2.185 into T2. Call this as equation 2. Now from equation 1 you know the value of T1. Now substitute the T1 value in equation 1. I am going to substitute equation 2 in equation 1. From equation 1 we know the value of T1 is equal to, T1 is equal to 1200 plus T2. From equation 2 you know the value of T1, substitute T1 as 2.185 T2 in equation 1. Therefore it will be equal to 2.185 T2 is equal to 1200 plus T2. Take this T2 to the left hand side, it will be minus. Take T2 common. After solving that you will get the value of T2. It will be 1012.65 Newton. T2 is nothing but slack side tension. Once you get the slack side tension, substitute T2 value in equation 2 or equation 1. You will get the value of T1. I am going to substitute this T2 in equation 2. 2.185 multiplied by T2 value, it is 1012.65 Newton. Therefore tension in tight side will be 2212.65 Newton. Thank you for watching. The notes are I have given a link in the description. From that you can download the notes. Thank you.